I'm so excited because today we're making viral garlic recipes. Don't go kissing anyone after this. Oh. Wow, we made this? What? Don't forget to thumb this video. I bet you've never had garlic bread like this. Your kitchen queens are back. Welcome back to our kitchen. All right, let's get down to business. We're making this cheesy pull apart garlic bread. Oh, how good does it look? Like, it looks divine. Only problem is we are not bakers. We're a bit fail when it comes to baking, only because we're not used to measuring everything, but we're gonna try our hardest, and there is a full recipe on this person's blog that we're following. Earlier I prepared this Yong, which is a baking technique that involves mixing warm milk with a little bit of flour, and then you just heat that up on a pot until it reaches about 65 degrees. Then you take that off. The mixture should thicken like this, and then you just add it to the main dough. Let's prepare our dough. I'm using my chocolate. Totally not sponsored, but it's basically like a ripped off version of a Thermomix. It's a lot cheaper.
It's just my head, like.
First, we're gonna put a little bit of Zen's head into the bowl.
It's like you press the spinning, I'm like.
Man, written instructions kind of kill me because like there's a lot of room for error. I'm just more of a visual person. To make our main dough, you're gonna need 300 grams of bread flour. In goes 15 grams of granulated sugar, 6 grams of salt, and a packet of dry instant yeast. Then I'm gonna add in the Yong mixture I prepared earlier. In goes our milk, 90 grams of whole milk, 40 grams of cream cheese, 1 medium-sized egg. I'm adding 2 eggs because my eggs are, look at them, they're tiny. Pop the lid on and then give this a mix. That is looking good. Now we're gonna add in our softened butter. Lid back on, we're gonna knead this until it's smooth, approximately 10 to 20 minutes. Our dough is looking good, it's looking smooth. I'm just going to form it into like a ball shape. And then I've got a bowl, which I've oiled
Very well.
very well. Now we're gonna cover this and place in a warm spot to proof. So we want it to get double in size. Let's work on our garlic butter now. We need our roasted garlic. I just popped this in the air fryer. I put some olive oil, covered it with foil, and then left it for about 45 to 50 minutes. Squeeze all that garlic out. Squeeze. Oh, it smells good. Next, I'm gonna add in chopped parsley and salt, and then give that a mix. It's a little bit hard to mix. Okay, I think I have a nice garlic spready paste now. Check out my dough. She is big. Let's punch this down. Oh, that's so satisfying. Now we can roll this out. Yeah, Lila's gonna help me roll it. Okay, wait, mommy roll it out a little bit and then you finish it, okay? Somehow roll it into a square-ish shape. Very good rolling. Okay, I think do we need it kind of fat?
Squishy.
It's kind of squishy, right? Yeah, I know, it's a squishy one. Then we can spread the butter.
Spread the butter?
This one.
This one?
Can you help me? Spread on a layer of the garlic butter spread. It's not really. Do I need more butter? My butter to garlic ratio might be a bit skewed. Try to get it as even as possible. And then sprinkle cheese on top.
Lots and lots of cheese. Oh.
I'm eating cheese.
Oh, thank you, Lila. That's enough. We don't need more cheese. If you want to eat more cheese, you can just eat it from there.
You can eat it. Oh my god.
It's just gone animal style. Then we need to cut it into equal size squares that's going to fit into our bread tin.
This is how people measure stuff, but okay.
I'm just trying to gauge it like that high. Now we're going to stack the layers together and place it into our bread tin. Now we're going to let that proof for 30 to 45 minutes. After 35 minutes, this is what it's looking like. I think it did get a little bit bigger. Now I'm gonna do a light egg wash over the top so that when we put it in the oven, it'll get some nice color. Finish it off with a little bit more cheese on top. Now it's ready to go in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. OMG guys, it's coming together. Look at that color. Look at those bubbles. Our bread is out and it is nighttime now. It's taken us all day to make this cheesy garlic butter bread.
Yes, it's literally 8 p.m. now, guys. Like, what is happening?
We're losing the plot. This is why we're not bakers. But we were able to make this masterpiece. I made a couple of incisions to see where the cheese pull would be, and I think I found it. Oh
my god, guys, that is crazy.
That is intense. Wow. It's so hot, my hands are burning, but that cheese pull was worth it.
Whoa.
I think I like pulled like 2 layers out. Alfred's on Lila duty, so we'll just take one for the team, but he can smell this. Oh. Oh. Cheers.
Cheers.
What? It is so soft.
That's so good.
You need to eat it when it's hot. Wow, we made this? What?
Yeah, we took the whole day to make this.
It took the whole day, but you know what? I think this is the best bread I've ever made.
It's actually so soft.
It's so soft. How is it so fluffy and like cloudy and like, what?
I'm kind of sad we made such a small batch now.
Yeah, why didn't we make a bigger loaf?
It would have took us 1 week. Wow.
How can I describe this? It's like a buttery, soft bread. Like you've got that layer of the cheese inside and the garlic.
Wow.
This is restaurant quality. Cafe. Gotta open a cafe. If someone served this to me as a starter,
Meal is already complete. Like,
you've taken my breath away and also my heart. If you're a garlic lover, you need to try this Korean pickled garlic.
Korean soy pickle garlic is a side dish that goes with everything. It only takes 5 ingredients, and here's how I make it. You need 1 part sugar, 2 part rice cooking wine, 2 part rice vinegar, and 2 part soy sauce. Mix well. Fill jar with garlic. Pour brine over garlic. Make sure every clove is covered. Let sit in room temperature for 2 days, then store in the fridge. It's ready to eat in 3 weeks, and that's it. Enjoy!
I hope you're ready for some intense garlic breath because we need to peel a lot of garlic for this recipe. I think I've only had this like a couple times.
like at restaurants, right? Like Korean restaurants.
Yeah, not every place serves this as like a side dish, but I remember having it maybe in Singapore.
I feel like we had it in Korea.
Do we have it in Korea?
Like samgyettangs or something.
Oh, yeah.
Because I feel like this banchan is very like heavily flavored.
Oh, it's intense.
But you love this.
I love it. I love anything garlic. We love garlic. We love smelling like garlic. Now, in case you guys want to ask for this, at a Korean restaurant, it's called 마늘 장가지. Oh, did I nail that, Zen?
Yes.
Did I nail that pronunciation?
Yes. Wow, look at your Korean.
Look at my Korean. I think I am up in the game. Whilst I'm peeling away, I want to give a big thanks to today's partner, Rosetta Stone. It's an immersive language learning app that uses pictures, audio, and even native speakers to help you learn a new language as naturally as if it was your first. I've been picking up so many useful words and phrases like 마늘, which means garlic, through their app. What's different about their app is that there's no English. They use words and images to help you connect everything through context, so it really sticks. What I love is that you don't need to spend hours trying to learn. Rosetta Stone breaks everything down in quick bite-sized lessons that you can finish in just 5 minutes. Perfect for a busy day. And they've got so many tools to help you out, like phrase books, stories, live lessons, and even an audio companion. So no matter how you prefer to learn, there's something for everyone. If you've been thinking about picking up a new language, Rosetta Stone has an amazing deal. Get over 50% off a lifetime subscription to one language, or over 60% off, and you'll get access to all 25 languages. Just click on my description box below. Now don't mind me, I just gotta peel all these manuals. I love eating garlic, but I just hate peeling them. With the magic of editing, these garlics will peel themselves. Ding. Now we're ready to make our sauce. We're gonna pop in sugar, soy sauce. We're gonna do double the amount of sugar, 2 parts rice cooking wine, and then 2 parts rice vinegar. Nice, very easy so far. Just pour everything in. Give that a good mix and hopefully it will dissolve the sugar we put in. In goes our garlic cloves. Should I use a smaller jar? We didn't peel that many garlic. We're transferring this into a smaller jar. I didn't peel enough. How am I gonna pour this in? I think I'm
Scoop
just
it
gonna
first,
scoop
yeah.
it in.
I'm scared.
I don't want to get it on my dress. In goes our brine. How long you leave this is up to you. In the video, she says leave it out for 2 days and then refrigerate it. And then enjoy after like 3 weeks. The longer you leave it, the more mild the garlic will taste. So I guess like you'll get rid of that spiciness. But people leave it up to like a couple of months. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is why she made a big jar, because it takes a while to make. But there are some recipes out there that you can enjoy after like a week or so. So you don't have to wait so long. Depends on your garlic tolerance. Now all you need is patience. It's been 3 weeks and I'm a little bit nervous to try my pickled garlic out. Some of it's turned green, which is apparently normal. It can happen, and sometimes they can even turn blue. But it's basically because the sulfur compound in the garlic, it's just reacting to that. I don't think it should affect the taste. You could still eat it. I found one that's not green. Got some rice. The texture is still crunchy, but it doesn't have that like crazy kick or spice that raw garlic has. It's more subtle. I want to try the soy sauce. The sauce is actually quite nice. Should I try a green one? Tastes the same. You definitely need to eat it with something else. On its own with like a bit of rice is not enough. I feel like the flavor is quite strong. It is still very garlicky, but it doesn't have that burning spice. I actually really like the sauce. Like that on top of my rice is perfect. But this accompanied with cream barbecue or something, or some protein, I think would be pretty good. So I'm gonna give this a double thumbs up. I just wish it didn't take so long to make. This garlic noodle recipe is perfect for a quick dinner.
I don't think you have any idea how insane this is. Spicy garlic butter pasta, let's go. Salt your boiling water and cook your pasta. In a separate pan on low heat, add your olive oil and garlic slices until they're crispy and golden and set aside. Add a knob of butter to your garlic oil, chili flakes, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and give it all a mix. 3 minutes before your pasta is al dente, transfer it over to the pan. You want to finish cooking it off here. Add some pasta water, give it a toss, then go in with your chives and parmesan and give it another toss until evenly coated. Then all you've got to do is serve it up with some sesame seeds. This is completely optional, but you can use some crispy chili oil like I did, and do not forget about your crispy golden garlic chips.
How much pasta you feel like eating, girl?
I feel like I haven't eaten pasta in a while, so I'm really looking forward to this. And did you notice how soothing her voice was? I've got my boiling water, I'm adding some salt. I usually cook my pasta in a pan. Am I like the only one that does that?
No, I do that too.
Yeah, I feel like it's just easier to fit eventually. In a pot, it's a little bit harder.
And with the pan, it cooks faster, I feel.
Next up, we're going to fry our garlic. Basically create little crispy garlic chips. I've got my oil. In it goes. The squeezy bottle is so like fantastic.
It's so fun.
Not an ad, but this is the olive oil I've been using. Graza. In goes my sliced garlic.
Gotta get them crispy.
Oh, it's smelling good, guys. It smells like garlic. 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 Imagine that's a perfume. Garlic. The scent of deliciousness. Parfum. Garlic. Okay, some of them are crisping up real quick, and then some of them still have a little bit to go. So I'm just gonna pick out the crisp ones. It's really testing my chopstick skills. It smells so good.
Whoa, the smell is
Intense.
Whoa.
You know what? I think most of them are kind of done now. It all happened so quick. They went from like beige to like boom, brown. My stomach's rumbling. Next, we're popping in our butter. Ah!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa. And then some chili flakes. I'm just using this Japanese red pepper chili flake that I have. A little bit of oyster sauce. I love the Asian twist to this recipe. A little bit of soy sauce. Give that a mix. It smells so good. Throw in the pasta, and then in goes some pasta water. And we're just gonna toss everything together. Throw in our chives. She did it so nicely.
Yeah, she did like a little twirly method.
She twirled it.
Ooh. Okay, fancy pants.
I totally forgot to add the parmesan cheese on the stove, but we've already plated it, so we're just going with it on top. Okay, sesame seeds. Chili oil, you know, we gotta do so laugan ma. And then pop those fried garlic chips on top.
Don't hold back.
I know, we gotta basically do all of it. This made the whole apartment smell amazing. Alf's been dying to try this. All right, cheers. Oh, that garlic chip. Whoa.
The chip makes it special.
You definitely need the chips, but it's interesting. It's like, am I eating pasta or am I eating like a stir-fried Asian noodle? Yeah, I don't know. It's a bit like confusing in my mouth, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna go in without the garlic chip because that garlic chip basically overpowered everything.
It's good though.
It's amazing.
It's very al dente. My throat's burning a little
Perfectly cooked. Maybe we put too much of the lao gan ma. I didn't put that much though.
It's hitting my throat a little bit.
It's definitely spicy. It is garlicky. There is a lot of flavors, like those strong flavors are definitely like there, but it's very easy to eat. And I think the Parmesan cheese, like, I don't know, it kind of just makes it fancy, like sets it apart from Asian noodles. And obviously it's not really pasta either. So it's like, is it Western? It's West meets East. Should put the rest in. We've just merged it with the rest of the pasta in the pan. Hopefully that will tone down the chili, but we've added more Parmesan. This is good.
I'm gonna need like a big stack of this.
Take it.
You know it's good when Alf comes with his own bowl, right? Oh, this is so good actually.
Actually, yeah. Ready with my rating.
My nose is kind of dripping from the spice, but I'm ready to. Ready to rate this a double thumbs up. It is so good. It has that kick. It's got enough of that garlic taste and it impresses your man. Glad
Wow.
you can't smell our breath right now.
We are
because
garlic sisters right now.
we would scare away some vampires. That's it to this video, but if you guys can't get enough of us and our kitchen chaos, there is a whole playlist. Click the video on screen. Don't forget to thumb this video and subscribe. We'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!